Trees have been the thinking cap of many, be it Newton or, and this time these trees have transcended the imaginations to fathom into an altogether new domain of communication technology. Ever wondered these beautiful creations of nature can supplant?
Well, Subhajyoti, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Shubhajyoti Kaur from the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering. I entered IIT Kharagpur through GATE and currently I am in the second year of MTech. I am pursuing my research work in the areas of green antennas and
Very interesting research in the field of green antennas is being pursued by Subhajyoti. Subhajyoti, can you tell us something about your research?
antennas which were used in radios to those used in handheld mobile phones were all solid in the sense that they were all made from perfectly electric conductors. We here at IIT Kharagpur were of the idea of making antennas of liquid materials. Like antennas have been made of plasma and gases, but using antennas, making antennas of common day materials like water contaminated with salts or other chemicals which will increase the conductivity of water was something new which was developed out here, and I am very lucky to be associated with this novel work. And this concept of fluid antennas will and definitely finds great use in explaining the theory of communication in trees, or what I use the term as green communication, because trees also similarly have a conducting fluid running throughout their length which will act as an antenna when excited, and these also find application in stealth and other stealth applications for military and
Throw some light on the development of this technology since its inception.
George Squire of the US Army Command Electronics proposed the idea that trees would definitely be used as antennas, because while they are on the move or while they are attacking a place on the ground, it's very difficult to carry the handheld and the bulky antennas with them. So it would be great help if trees which were readily found and are readily found in areas where the military operations are going on can use as antennas. Taking his ideas forward, it was used rapidly. If like military records, so as to refer to the military records, it was used rapidly in the 1967 Vietnam War, and the records for civilian applications, discoveries and military inventions are confidential and are not leaked out to the public. So we thought of taking this step ahead and making something which would be used to the civilian life, like as providing communication with the mobile phones. The mobile towers, which like in a report few days ahead, as you were correctly mentioning, came that they bring about a lot of pollution. So the only way you can get rid of, we think, is having something called as green antennas, while the trees themselves could be used as mobile
Are
towers.
there some specific kind of trees that can be utilized? And if yes, then what
The
should be
closer the trees are, or the dense populated the trees are, the better would be the SNR, and it also will give a boost to many types of trees, because not all types of trees will all throughout the year support a good amount of communication, because of the fact that some trees dry up in the summer while some carry a great amount of plant sap in the summer, and even this fact follows in the winters as well. Like the pines, which are affluent during the winters, can help in causing better communication than other trees, because at that point of time either they shed their leaves.
Can the
or
trees
they-
only receive the signals or they can send
It's
it?
very basic for us to answer this question, because anything which is transmitting
Please
can
elaborate on the economic
the
feasibility.
apparatus, because it's not the normal apparatus which takes into account this facts. So there would be a cost in the initial part, but on the next phase, like while maintaining the communication, it would be much tender to our own environment.